What's up guys, I'm Zain and today I'm going to show you how to change your country in Google Play Store. Now first I'll show you exactly how to do so using your desktop, then I'm going to show you how to do the same steps using your phone. Now first thing you should do is to open your Google Play Store account on your browser, then click on this icon right here and go to Payments and Subscriptions. Then here as you can see in this page, you should click on Edit Payment Methods. Then after that, go to Settings. Then you will see right here, Country and Region with a pencil icon beside it. Click on the pencil icon. Then it will tell you that you should create a new payment profile. So click on Create New Profile. Then it will show you this message. Click on Continue. After that, you can choose the country or region that you want. Then click on Continue. Then you will have to enter your new address if you are moving from a country to another. But if you are doing this method in order to get an application or any program that is not released in your country and it's pre-released in other countries, and you want to change your country in order to get the pre-released version in other country, this will need more research and you should search for a right address and an appropriate postal code in order to gain the settings of Google Play and get the pre-released application. After that, you'll have to click on Submit, and that is it when doing it on the desktop. And now let's show you the same method on my phone. First thing you should do is to open your Google Play Store, then go to this icon right here and choose Payments and Subscriptions. Now after that, click on Payment Methods, then click on More Payment Settings. Then it will jump you directly into another website. So I'm going to choose Google, for example. Then what you actually need to do is to click on these three lines on the top left corner, then choose Settings. After that, you will find out this option right here, Country Region, with the same pencil icon beside it. Click on the pencil icon, then it will show you the same message. Click on Create New Profile. Then as you did in desktop, click on Continue, and it will show you the same page. And now you can easily change your region, and after you finish, click on Continue. And that is it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and goodbye.